I will greet you.
Thank you, my pikin. Good evening.
I will say make you tell people your full name and everything, your position.
My name be Honorable Madam Blacky Ogiame JP, leader for market women for Edo State.
You go give us small light. How far you don't go for this market? Because those days we dey hear market women go dey quarrel, they make protest, they walk up and down. But these days, the thing don't go down. Give us more light about market women.
Yes.
The head since.
Thank you, my pikin. Market women those days, as I meet the people when e start am, I copy from them. If any issue dey, we go sit down, call the market leader. We go, if the market leader no fit solve am, he go carry am go give the local government. The local government no fit solve am, that is local government market president. Then they go come bring am come give me. Then I go quickly settle the matter for them. So everybody they go dey sell. Na so we take the repair the market dey go. We get a song for Benin when we dey sing. Kamejo o baba kamejo otunogwo badole doju kamejo otunogwo badole doju kamejo. The meaning be say the market women we dey follow Oba repair Edo. That's why if we see ourselves we will say Ada Ekweki, we will say Oba Atokpe, because the people when start this association Edo welfare mama, and they starter the late Adego Logboshere Ogbemudia mama with that one the same father. Nobody will not know Ogbemudia mama, the former governor of Bende State in those days.
Yeah.
When he dey here, in mama na market woman. Then the sister, the mama junior sister, na be the late Adego Logboshere. So that one take over from Ogbemudia mama. Ogbemudia mama na goat they sell those days. Then Madam Adego Logboshere, when he gather us, say make we dey do this meeting. During Oba Kenzo and she start. I small then. That time Baba don old when I joined them. From there, Baba hand over to our Baba Oba Erediawa. Oba Erediawa na in time me can grow well for this market issue. Our Baba that time, if we get any quarrel, we go palace, go say Baba see o, he go say okay make una settle. So our Baba Oba Atokpe. So the hand when take hold us, we market women. Na so in Pikin when he come now, Oba why? Na he take hold us too. If our Oba now get anything, he go call us, we go because we get song for am too. Abioba bivie o, abiewa ebiemata osaya we o. So na be our song for am. Yes, the born Oba born beat. Our Oba now, why? Now he dey stand on the truth. If anybody go lie for am, he go sit down where he don't know the truth. So na truthful Oba. Now that song, when we look and say that truthful Oba, now we dey give am that song. Now that song, now market women they sing for am. Anytime when we go palace.
Mama, how you take dey connect all these women?
Yes.
Around the 18 local government and all the markets?
Yes. This our association na Oba Obini be the grand patron. Any governor when he come, na be the patron. If we like Ekai market that day when they open up, the leader of that market na the mother of the ohen of that place. If community they go bring person out like Olia market, the late Madam Aina Olia was the market leader after the first leader. The mama don die, then another one come out again too. That one still come die before the present one dey. So na this association all of them dey. If then they join us, na 5 people na dem dey take first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So na so dem dey take, na those ones now na they dey in charge of the market when they dey. Then we dey get Iya Egbe. So before dem dey fight, but when we come change the system, we come say oya aloko group, cloth group, ogbono group, na so we take organize am, so that if anything happen, the group wey that person belong to will call the Iya Egbe, e go caution them. If dem dey quarrel dey, we go tell the Iya Egbe, they go meet the market leader. Iya Egbe and the market leader, they go settle the quarrel when e dey. Na so we dey take dey operate. That's why you no dey see say dem dey fight up and down, because market women dey get discipline, and that discipline, if you talk lie against your neighbor, we go sit down, we go ask am say na true you talk abi na lie. Some go say he don talk am. When you talk am finish, you go wait for the repercussion. Na so we take dey carry them dey go.
Make I ask you one question. Market women, where the men come dey for inside?
Men dey, dem dey, cause some dey when dey grind pepper, some dey when dey sell provision. We get.
Those men no dey join you.
Dem dey join us.
They be market men.
Yes, dem dey join us. This is him market leader. She did the dance too.
Adiowa. 2011, I dey see you don talk some things wey una don dey do concerning the welfare of the women and the market people and all that.
Yes.
I come say your organization ready for the women well.
Yes.
Okay, now make we enter politics. In 2012, I still carry this television like this, go stay airport. When the deaf governor come, when una go welcome am, we don't know wetin una go welcome am for until he come out. We ask am question, he come say he don't go buy form, he don't dey bring the form, and he wan give the form to market women, and the market women na he buy am for am. How una take do am?
You know say that Oshomole na big work he can't do for Edo State. So when we hear say they say he no go come back for the second tenure, now we say na lie. We stand gidigba for am, say he go come back, because who do well we dey follow am. We see the second circular when he do that time. We see how he removed that big thing when they mode for Dusty Road Junction. He do everything. The man walk. He dey do airport road then. Wow, when we see him, we say yes, make it continue. And we assure am say if he wan comot, the person where he go do pass am, make he still give us. Now we gather money. Oshomole buy form. When they come from where he go buy form for Abuja, we go airport, because Oshomole na father of market women, our patron. We know say I first talk and say any governor when come, na be patron. Then Oba of Benin, na be our grand patron. When Oshomole come, we come happy. We support her well. As we support her, he feed us, he clothe us. We don't go forget am for Edo State history, because who do well, we dey dance, we dey appreciate am. Benin parable say ohoramudia no my day. If you must stand for a person back, the person on the fall. So 2013, we call do party. We do party, we invite her. We first do one for Emporium. In with the deputy, Honorable Odubu, they come. The cloth when we get, they still get her too. Then 2013, when he see say yes, he don't enter where we support her. When we want dance, we still invite her. That time, this our present governor now, when be our patron too, he dey economic team. This SIG, he dey board of trustee for the market association. That time, he first be chief of staff, he come be commissioner of works. All of them come the party. Na so we take dance. We dance finish. We tell Oshomole say make he give us board now. At least market women. Someday when still they feel write their name, he say yes. He give them board. Make they give us board. The board now we give market leaders. Then he can't give us money. He give us 100 million.
Wait. I dey come there. I be don't forget to.
Not forget my pikin.
That one I be come here for. I be come here for. And the welfare of the women and the market women. And now you take the pilot and the quarrel another day.
Quarrel another day.
I never see one day say they protest against you.
No.
Protest against
No. Unless the people when they jealous for back. Now back that they do one.
That 2013. It get waiting. You know when we see them for all these social media. Sometimes we know they regard them. Sometimes they get power. Sometimes we will listen to them. It get somebody, some of your women, where they gather for one hall. They show the women many well. Then one Lucky or Rukbi, he gathered and say the 100 million where they give you 2013. That the women when did that or that day we would watch out for Facebook. They say they not be part of the sharing. How the money Waka, they don't know. How you do the money, they don't know. Now you carry me enter this 2013 matter, so
yes.
Don't forget.
Not forget my picking.
Give us story because we don't enter another story now.
That 100 million when they talk. Now our association, now our patron. Oshomole, now he give us. Oshomole know the market women leaders. He know them. If he see us, he go say that quirky. He know all. If you make those people come out, if you go see them, the clip when we take dance, is dey NTA, is dey government house.
We get them.
Whether you go see their faces, all those people when sit down there, I don't know them because like this one. Now I be by phone. Social media.
You never see him?
Social media.
You never see him for okay, you know they do social media.
I wait to concern me with it. So now I get many things to attend to. So I know they look all those ones. Now this one I be by phone.
You don't know look your rugby now.
I don't know her. I don't know her because you know the market. In mama not the market. In wife you not the market. If you say them be then they sell for market now. I go know them now. Because we get leader for each market. Yes. So, as they claim New Benin, Ero be the chairman for New Benin market, which is a do market. The leader die. So, now another one, when they follow her, now we they prepare for now. When we don't take any leader, we they show Oba Benin any day when we go. Now, so we they do one before, right from time. Now we they do one. And our association now recognize body. Every month ending we they travel. That time we they go they do meeting for our side.
Well, wetin we see for Facebook, not be all of them we dey follow. Wetin dey there be say, not be the matter here, and I will come for. E get one matter when I want ask you. When it be say, so many persons they want emulate your, sorry to use that English, your organization, may they still dey build their own today. And how una take dey cater for our members?
Our members, I first tell you just now, say if problem dey, they go meet the market leader. The market leader now, if you don't feel solve am, he go carry the matter come state. We go sit down. But the market leader, the Oedo local government market president, we go see if now Oedo it happen, we go call the president, the leader go come, we go talk am, we settle am together. If it happen for Ikpoba, the same thing, the president dey. That one still get various market leaders. So that's how we they carry them along. When money come, when our patron give us money, the leaders when bring their people, they give the leaders money, he share give them. The people when we did the association, they not complain. So me don't know anything when they see, when they talk.
No one don't come call us, you say money where they bring that and you not share them well, or you share them, you carry all of them.
If we not share them, we not give them. We only one go just carry am. Then if we get any function, they go follow me. They go. If you dey, you now you dey. Oga, they bring money. Say you and Oga get am. Oga only one pocket and he not give you. Tomorrow he call you go follow am. All these years, except the ones where God call. The ones where God call, like them at the time where the bar way go. All those ones they collect, they take for the money now because all of us dance.
Now be say people don't die. We share that money. Some don't die.
Yes, now.
Don't go.
Yes.
Okay. Because he said, with the watch out with one eye, just now say, you say some of them don't die.
Yes.
Or the people with the share money, they don't die. Okay, now he say he petition you, or the organization, or now you, to EFCC. They don't call you since.
EFCC no be that contract. Then I don't know whether that contract now he give me when I take the money.
ICPC don't call you.
If the government give me contract when I not do, now I take the money. Maybe Oshobole now he tell am say the money they pay for you. Now he own sweat. Now he take give us money. Not be he give me money. Say not be me give. He give the organization.
That's the association.
He give not be only us. He give different association.
Yes.
As you call her when man marry. He go get the one way he love. He go if man marry 10 wives. If you give this one 20 naira 10 maize soup, if he give another person 500, it depends on the support when the massive support when market women get for Oshomole, when the honor when we get for her. Till tomorrow we still the honor her because now our papa. We not go forget her. And when this Waka see governor come, we praise him because Oshomole tell us for stadium say the governor when he want bring, he go do pass am. And he bring Dogayase Obaseki come give us. We follow her. And the day when we even dance food when Obaseki give us clothes, we share her now. We share the food. We eat her. He even give us more than 10 they buy tomatoes put. We take her. Now so anytime when we dance, then they give us money.
He say petition governor and the chief of staff.
Governor never call me.
Those one are government. They don't call you since.
They never call me.
They don't call you say where they carry 100 million naira. The place they for paper will be say they not sign put. So that money not illegal. They don't call you for that kind of money.
They don't come here now. Somebody give us money. Now they fit go arrest her because he put hand for your pocket. Take give me. He good not go kill her.
We did not go fit arrest her.
He good not go kill her now because if you dash person money, person when not you go work for John Holt, you go dey collect money for Edo City. It not fit happen. Now people when he dey, now he get the money. na he share the money. The people don't come protest say they don't see money. So I don't know where he see him.
Madam Blacky, on the end of year party, we are not doing because of COVID last year. How this year will be?
We don't arrange am sef. Say only our papa never get time. This COVID something get many things for him hand. Na him make am. Otherwise, we for don dance again. So that may I the pepper people. Because now we dey support government. We be grassroots. We dey vote. All of us get PVC. When person dey position, e good make e dey take hand dey hold us. Not be we e don tey Oba Akezuwa dey na our papa. Oba Iretiawa our papa. Oba Ewaye our papa. Governors wey don go Oyegwo Lucky Gbedejo cloth wey Lucky Gbedejo take give us do akugbo eti when we go dance for palace. The cloth still dey with me till date. So na so we, our own na to enjoy to mind our market. If problem dey, we go solve am.
Anyway, Madam Blacky, you know say this coronavirus, the first time e don come, second time e come, yes. The third one e come so. Abeg, how you go still fit take government, talk to your market people, take support government on to throw enlightenment for market women to understand say this vaccine wey dey come make dem take and make dem know how to dey use face mask for market, because many of them don dey use face mask for market. Majority of them don dey use am. How you don ready to crusade around the market wey be say they go apply with the they go follow the protocol wey be say government dey put for ground, wey go even help them help their children.
Yes. First time when they talk of this COVID-19, our governor, good governor, he tell us say coronavirus don come. So na me suggest say make dem fumigate market. He remove the market women. Delta State close their own. River State close their own. But this our governor, our good governor, he carry am. He go carry primary school. All the women go there. They go dey sell. Because he no wan close him own. Because you know everybody dey struggle. He carry money, they go fumigate the whole market. Now so we carry from primary school, every primary school we dey go dey tell them, say make dem dey use face mask. Then when they bring the corona COVID vaccine come, me sef don take my own. I even show am, say make people see am say I don take o. So the market women come go dey take. Me don take even the second dose, I don take am. And I don't even campaign tell the market women now for yesterday for government house say make them they show am for radio and television say the time reach, the vaccine don't come out again. Who no get chance they go before, make them they go. You know they kill anybody. You know they cause sickness. Now prevention, as they prevent malaria, prevent fever. Now so this corona be, then they prevent am. Prevention is better than cure. So this next week, by special grace of God, I get coordinators for markets. Then we get boss. They go from market to market. They tell them, say, make they go take the dose. Like Ubeko market, for example, in near health. Health they there. So health center they there. So the market women when they all of them don't take vaccine. So then they go.
Let me say coronavirus for market.
You know, go affect market women because they don't say we not get money. So the ones when they say they manage, they give children, they train children. So God don't carry the sickness come out for Benin, and our governor, he don't carry the sickness come out for body. As you do this one now, I use this medium to thank our governor for the good work when they do with the senior. It tells that me road when they know they pass before. Ogida market, if you enter before, water go follow you reach here. But the drainage when you put, go pass Guayoba, come out. We use this. I use this medium take am. God go bless am well for us. He go do this in tenor. If he want come out, he go still bring another person say take. continue. Na so we want make it be. And we still thank Oshobole when he bring better governor come give us. He say when the governor when he go bring, he say he go work pass am. And really, God will not ask for Baseki. He dey work well. So we praise am well. We ready? They know they give person third term. We forgive am third term. So I hope the person when he go still bring that person, he go copy from Godwin Nogayase Obaseki. Thank you.
My people, my people, we don't talk to Madam Blacky don't talk to us, and we don't hear some more area we don't pull out. If we give Madam Blacky time today, we not go come here till 9 o'clock for night. She don't put mouth for waiting concern the women, because what is she dey concerned about now? The welfare of the market women. Whether anybody wants spoil her name or spoil the market women name, she not there after all those ones. She dey tell them say the market women welfare, how things go good for them. Now she dey after, and now the organization dey after. That even the one where she dey here, like she not there for social media, she not dey look Facebook, now television, now where they show news, and then she no reach. That waiting that they call her, they tell her since all this time, in they tell they say, well, make the person go television, make it watch her for television, now you go know the person. They call the person name. He said not be say he no know her. But in though they hear that name, not be person where don't encounter any trouble or anything with. But all the same, money where they give them, the market people where they give, no one don't cry come and say the money not reach them. Majority of them, they pray for whoever bring that money, they pray for the present government, because he said they bring the money, they share accordingly, their business increase and everything well. So my people, my name is Nosai Delo Gbede for TMC TV.